Uzair is a really good English tutor. Ever since I started tutoring with him, my confidence in English has really improved, and he's helped me prepare really well for my mock exams. And overall, I'm really happy with tutoring, and I really recommend it.
Mr. Yuxie is a nice and helpful teacher. He is very patient that he will explain slowly and clearly to me about my mistakes, and he gives constructive comments about my work. Ever since I started tutoring with him, I realized that my English has improved greatly, and my confidence in English also builds up significantly. Overall, he's a good teacher and I really recommend it.
Good English tutor,
He was very helpful.
and we both got sevens, so we both recommend him.
Yeah, we highly recommend.
I started having tutoring in IB Academics since year 12. I have my English Language SL and TOK tutored there by User. For my final results, I get a 6 for English and an A for TOK. In terms of English, having tutor allows me to have a lot of practice in paper 1 and paper 2, and also get constructive feedback to improve, to let me know my weaknesses and improve on it. This is really helpful, and also Uzo would teach me some essential stuff in essay writing, such as how to write a well constructed topic sentence and how to link my analysis with it to have an overall very organized essay. For TOK, since I didn't have tutor in year 11, I didn't do well in my presentation, which I only got a 6 out of 10 for my TOK presentation. This means that I actually got 9 out of 10 for my TOK essay. Also was really helpful because he's able to help me to highlight and analyze the key points of the TOK questions. This helps me to know what I have to answer in order to relate to the TOK questions in my essay and be focused on it. He also gives me various basic TOK concepts that I need to know in order to write my essay, and also he explained the question to me very well. He also gives me various solid or strong examples for me to list in my essay to list in my essay to be an evidence. This helps me a lot as it helps my essay to be more unique and also more sophisticated in terms of relating to the TOK world, real world, and answering the question at the same time. Finally, he also helps me by having a final check for my essay. This allows me to ensure that I don't have any logical flaws or grammar mistakes in my TOK essay, which I think is also critical to gain an A in TOK. I would recommend you to join the IB Academics with Twitter. Thank you.